She's the different one. She's kind, she's compassionate, she's funny, and she's loyal. She doesn't fit into the boxes society tries to put her in, and she doesn't want to. She's unapologetically herself, and that's what makes her shine. She's the kind of person who lights up a room just by walking in. Her kindness is a beacon, drawing others to her like moths to a flame. She's always there with a smile and a kind word, ready to lift others up when they're feeling down. Her sense of humor is infectious, bringing joy and laughter wherever she goes. She has a way of finding the funny side of things, even in the darkest of times. Her loyalty is unlike any other. She stands by her friends and loved ones through thick and thin, always ready to offer support and a listening ear. Her loyalty is a rare treasure, one that is cherished by all who know her. And her beauty? It shines from within, radiating outwards like a bright light. It's not just about her physical appearance, though she is undeniably stunning. It's about the way she carries herself, with confidence and grace. It's about the kindness in her eyes and the warmth of her smile. She's the different one, and the world is a better place because of it. She reminds us all that it's okay to be ourselves, to embrace our uniqueness, and shine brightly for all the world to see. She's a reminder that being different is beautiful, and that true beauty comes from within. If you've watched this far, comment 100 and follow me, because this account is for you.